Oh, he had the little footwork on him. Had a little foot going. He had a little foot. What up, y'all, man? I know a lot of y'all been in my... I know a lot of y'all been up in my comments talking about, I hope y'all see more MONSTA X. I'm like, that, man, I gotta tap into some more MONSTA X for y'all. So look, I'm about to tap into it. You see by the title already, we about to do a Rain MONSTA X, Brave Girls, Summer Teas, man. It's that, ooh, wee, let's see what they talking about. Cause the other MONSTA X I've been seeing, it was cool, man. It was some bangers, man. You feel me? He's different, but you know, I'm messing with it though. You feel me? I listen to all different types of shit. You feel me? But look, man, we about to get into it. See, if you think it's a banger, let me know in the comments below, man. You feel me? I think it's gonna be a banger. Let's tune in and see what it's talking about. Pepsi joint. Hey. You can already tell this is summer vibe. You can tell by the visuals. You see the visuals. Hey, that's one thing I would say. I remember now MONSTA X be having crazy visuals, boy. If you didn't know, you better watch and pay attention. Ooh, we go crazy. Watch, look. They about to go crazy with this one. This sound like it could be on a commercial or something and go crazy. Or a movie or something. I'm telling you, they about to go viral with this. Oh, she a little joint, a little cutie. She a little cutie or whatever. This gotta be a Pepsi commercial. What's up? What's up? Hey. Hey. Man, they be spitting, huh? They don't spit long enough for me, man. They need to keep going, man. They be going crazy. I forgot to turn my subtitles on, man. Hey, they be getting off. Yeah. Hey, go crazy. Boy, they got a Pepsi every scene, don't they? Oh, he had the little footwork on him. Had a little foot going. He had a little footwork. Okay, I figured. I knew. See, I told you it was gonna be a commercial song or something. It sound like it, you feel me? So I know that Pepsi commercial gonna go stupid, boy, cause it just fit. It fit perfect. But look, that was my reaction to who is this? MONSTA X, Brave man. You feel me? It's live, it's lit. It was cool, man. I was fucking with it. It was a cool little vibe, summertime lit song. You feel me? It was cool. But yeah, man, if y'all new to the channel, man, hit that subscribe button for me. Come on, I'll wait. Let y'all tap in. Cause I know y'all be playing with me, man. Look, put it on the screen for y'all again, man. But tap in on the corner right there. You feel me? Tap in because it's lit. You see it? That's my people's logos for their clothing line, man. It's live. So tap in. All the descriptions in the. All the links and all that is in the description down below, man. But look, man. Yeah, that's it. Oh yeah. Smash that like button, go crazy, leave a comment for me, man. Look, till next time, we out, gang.